Hello, welcome to Camaro Mods Channel. Hope everybody's having a great day. Today we're pulling out the old and putting in the new. Putting in a new fan, new radiator, and the new condenser. The radiator still works fine, the condenser still works fine. The fan is broke and has a clatter in it. But you'll see why when we get it all pulled apart. Why it's just all shoved up underneath. It's not leaking or anything, but it's from the bottom side, it's really shoved up, and it's best just to replace everything, especially the fan. It's bad shape. So let's go to the car and we'll start pulling it out. I was working on a video throughout the week. We was working on taking the fan, and this is the condenser, and taking the radiator out. Well, I got down to the radiator and figured I had the wrong one, so I had to stop on that video. Then I had to order another radiator, and I got it right down here. So it just came in today. So we'll be able to continue on this video. So that's why I kind of got behind on my videos. So the one I ordered didn't have the transmission cooler in it. I said, well, I'll just use an external transmission cooler. Well, this one here has the transmission cooler right down here on the end. And the other one didn't have the big one for the big hose down low on the radiator. And also up here was different. So that radiator was completely different. These connect into here. But yeah, I had to just send it back. So hopefully now we have everything we need. I've already got the fan pulled out. So you'll see later on in the video. But okay, this is the right radiator. So now we'll go to the car and we'll get all this put in. We'll get the fan pulled out, we'll get the radiator pulled out, and then we'll get the condenser pulled out. Then we'll drop them all in. So let's roll that video. See, this fan shroud here is all busted. Unplug it here. They got all the bolts out of the fan now, so we can't pull it up. Okay. See how busted up it was? Busted up down there. The whole bottom's busted out. These here two got broke off, so I have to retrieve the bolts on them. See how bowed up they are on the radiator and the condenser? Yeah, they really got shoved up from the bottom. Now I have to start taking off some radiator hoses. I've already got this one off. I want to be able to lift this whole thing out here pretty shortly here. Okay, we're still working on getting this radiator out. Got the transmission lines over here. Transmission cooling lines. Instead of worry about trying to get these taken off, we're just going to cut them with a tubing cutter, because these lines are new with the radiator. Let's see if we can't get these cut off in here. Bottom radiator hose off. Disconnect it off the engine. This is 2011, so I'm going to inspect all these hoses real good. I think I'll just go underneath. See if I can get from the bottom. Well, disconnected off the radiator. Lots of fluid coming out now. Okay, it should come out now. Maybe. Okay, I think we're ready. These things here was hanging me up. Look at the damage on that. That's why I had to replace them both. And both of them wasn't even leaking. So I got that out of there. Now we'll get ready for put the new ones in. Okay, now we got the new one all ready to go in. Got all the hoses swapped. Got them bolted together. Let's see how it's going to fit. Okay, I got the condenser in, got the radiator in, I got the fans in. Got all the hoses back on. The only thing I haven't got on is I haven't got the transmission cooling lines on. I gotta take these connectors off. And I still gotta put the antifreeze in the system. I'll probably just break it back here and fill it up as much as I can. But we still got a little bit more to go, and I think we're gonna end this video here. I can go ahead and finish up these lines, and I'll show you real quick on that what the old parts look like. That's the old radiator condenser. Pretty bad shape. Now you can see the new condenser down there. A lot better. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and I'm going to end this video, and thanks for watching.